What's up, beautiful people? So, today we actually have an interview with myself, Face of Fine Town director, and obviously, alongside, I will have the contestants with me, which are the Face of Fine Town 2026 finalists. They will be interviewed, being asked questions concerning the beauty pageant, concerning their preparations, what are they learning, stuff like that. And then on my side as well, I will be asked questions as the Face of Fine Town director. And I am excited. I can't wait for that. So as I'm about to do that now, I'm busy preparing Isatlina, and then again, I will take you through the journey of today's day. Hi, mina ngazi nje indaba ka-Andy nakho.
Khona question le engibuze ukuthi ngifuna like ubani engimaziyo okwazi ukwenza i-fashion design.
Ndoda uyahlala
Yo, yazi besihamba si-3 nangumuntu khona manje angisamboni. Ngena phela tumela. Angisamboni manje. Yo phela ngisabuza ngibhudiza le question lena. Ish. Yo, somebody. Oh, tidak bisa lihat. Muntah kalah. Asal sampai dia. Apa tu? Minangge ngasih wayi jasa minangge ngkoni. Magazin ras. Ayo anjat ras je. Kita ras je lah. Okay, guys. So, as I said, which we have an interview with Dip South Radio FM. So now we are actually getting ready, and yeah, it's actually getting popping.
I know, but everything's fun. Right.
Someone gonna trying to
How can local businesses in the community get more involved to support the models and the brand?
and support the brand in terms of actually assisting us with sponsorship, because we are looking for certain sponsors. And if you are a business, please kindly DM us, or don't know, something like that, because we are still looking for sponsors. And then with people, they can actually contact models individually or contact the page so that they can buy the tickets on their side.
So such a beautiful face, You're not Face of Fine Town with Justin J. Abuti, looking very nice there. Looking model or brand or designer inspires you the most, and why? And I guess Abuti, you've already spoken it. Which South African model, brand or designer inspires you the most?
It
and
would
why?
be Shudufadzo Musida. That is simply because
What tip would you give a person?
it's to be yourself. Obviously, there would be crowd in front of you, but do not take it as if people are looking at you. Own the stage, like make it your own. Don't care about who says what and who is watching. Just own the stage. Walk in confidence and always have a smile on your face.
Yeah. Okay, that's beautiful words. So Abuti, when now you've spoken
disciplined through all the journey. Mawungaba respect, ube disciplined. You can just, everything will be flowing. So respect and not doubting yourself. It's everything that ungayikera throughout the journey yakho. So all in all, ngizothi respect, posture ne-confidence yakho. Yeah.
So ubasiza ngokubafundisa respect.
Yeah, confidence.
Because it's important. It's one of the important
because actually
things.
confidence, nothing is gonna work. You just have to trust yourself.
Okay. Oh. such beautiful words.
Yama kuyabhora cause ise-Shoprite. Mina ngizombuza futhi ngizokhe la. Yini ngaphandle lakhe. Sawona. Siyaphila.